More on MS Windows 7 Chapter 3. Topics covered in this chapter: components of a window, move and resize a window, open the control panel, change Windows appearance, customize the taskbar, configure date and time, configure the mouse settings. Nowadays, Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating systems. MS Windows has a graphical user interface GUI. It contains graphics icons which can be used by using a computer mouse. It is very user friendly. Let us know more about the components of a window and control panel. Components of a window. Address bar. Address bar displays the address of the currently open window. Menu control bar. This bar comprises different menus and icons. Back button. This button is used to view files or folders step by step in back direction. Forward button. This button is used to return to the current folder after viewing the previous folder. Minimize button. This button is used to shrink the opened window to the taskbar. Restore button. It resizes the window back to its original size. Maximum button. This button is used to increase the size of a window to its maximum. Close button. This button is used to close an open window. Scroll bar. If the text or document in a window is more than the display area, then this bar appears on screen. There are two types of a scroll bar. One, horizontal scroll bar. Two, vertical scroll bar. Status bar. This bar is placed at the bottom of the Windows screen. It shows information about the status of a file or folder, including the date of creation, its modification, etc. Moving a window. You can use the following steps for moving a window. Step 1. Right click the top left corner of the window. Step 2. Click on the move option. Step 3. Use the arrow keys to move the window to its new position. Step 4. Press the enter key. Fact to know: you can use the mouse to move a window. Click and hold on to title bar and drag the window to its new position. Resizing a window. You can follow these steps to resize a window. Step 1. Right click the top left corner of the window. Step 2. Click on size option from the menu. Step 3. Use a arrow keys to resize the window to the required size. Step 4. Press the enter key after completing the task. Fact to know: you can resize a window using a mouse. Place the mouse pointer at any one of four borders of the window. Drag the border to resize it as per your need. Moving a window and resizing a window. Control panel. The control panel of MS Windows 7 has been loaded with many icons. These icons are used to manage various resources and operate the computer system. The control panel is also useful for changing display settings, addition or removable or programs, alternation of date and time, etc. Opening the control panel. To open a control panel window, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on Control Panel option. You can see the category view of control panel. You can change the view of this panel by clicking on the category button and choosing the view option out of the two options available, which are large icon view and small icon views. Menu, then control panel. Start menu, control panel, category view, large icon, category view, small icon. Change the appearance of windows. We can change the font style, font color, desktop background, window color, sounds, etc. Let us follow these steps to change the appearance of windows. Step 1. Open the control panel and click on Appearance and Personalization option. Step 2. Out of a list of options, click on Personalization option. Step 3. Select the theme of your choice and click to apply it. Change the appearance of windows. Customize the taskbar. You can change the settings of the taskbar. Let us follow these steps to customize the taskbar. Step 1. Open control panel. Step 2. Click on the appearance and personalization option. Step 3. Click on taskbar and start menu. Step 4. Click on the desired option in the taskbar and start menu properties dialog box. Step 5. Click apply option, then click on OK. Start menu, control panel, appearance and personalization, task and navigation, automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode. Taskbar hide, off. Taskbar show. Configuring date and time. The taskbar of Windows 7 contains the system tray that shows the current date and time. You can make changes in date and time. Let us follow these steps to configure date and time. Step 1. Open the control panel and click on Clock, Language and Region option. Step 2. Click on Date and Time option. Step 3. Click on Change Date and Time button from the Date and Time dialog box. Step 4. Change the date and time on the screen. Step 5. Click on OK button. Configuring date and time. Configuring the mouse. You can change the mouse pointer type, speed and pointer movement, double clicking speed and pointer style. Let us follow this step to configure the mouse. Step 1. Open the control panel and click on the hardware and sound option. Step 2. Click on the mouse option in device and printers. You can notice that the mouse properties dialog box appears. It has many tabs inside it. You can select any type and make the changes in properties as according to the needs. Changing the button configuration. You can change mouse button settings by following these steps. Step 1. Do not select the switch primary and secondary buttons. Checkbox if you use your mouse with your right hand. Step 2. If the user makes use of his left hand, select the checkbox. Step 3. Click on apply. You will see that the button functions have been interchanged. Changing the double click speed. In order to reduce the double click speed, drag the slider to the left side. In order to increase the double click speed and drag the slider to the right side, click on the apply button and then click on OK. Fact to know, you can click on the use default button in mouse properties dialog box to change the replaced pointer to its default shape. Configuring the mouse. Changing the pointer's type. We can change the shape of the mouse pointer in Windows 7. Let us follow this step given below. Step 1. Click on the pointer's type. Step 2. Select a pointer type from the list of pointers that appear in the Customize list. Step 3. Click on the Browse button if you have more pointer styles saved at another location. A new window will be seen. It would have different options of available pointers. Step 4. Select the pointer shape as desired. Step 5. Click on the Open button. Step 6. Click on the Apply button. Step 7. Click on OK button after completing the task. Start menu, control panel, hardware and sound, mouse, pointers, browse, file name, open, apply, OK. Exercise A. Tick the correct options. 1. Here is the status bar placed on the screen of a window ? 2. The control panel window contains many. 3. Which option is used to make changes in the pointer's type and trial ? 4. Which button is used to shrink the opened window to the taskbar ? 5. Which one is a unique feature of MS Windows 7 that makes opened windows transparent ? B. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. 1. We can change the desktop background of Windows 7. True. 2. We cannot change setting of the taskbar. False. 3. We can change the size of a window using mouse. True. 4. Status bar comprises of different menus and icons. True. 5. We cannot change the shape of the mouse pointer. False. C. Choose appropriate words from the box and fill in the blanks. D. Answer the following questions. 1. What is control panel? 2. Write down the options that are used to make the taskbar disappear from the window. 3. How will you change the mouse button setting in Windows 7? Question mark. 4. Write the steps for changing the appearance of the windows. 5. Write the steps for resizing a window.